Trees and binary search trees are fundamental data structures in computer science, playing a crucial role in various algorithms and applications. Today, we're introducing the Python DSA Quiz Part 4, focusing on trees and binary search trees. This quiz is designed to test and enhance your understanding of these important concepts. It covers key areas such as tree traversals, BST operations, and more advanced topics like finding the lowest common ancestor and calculating tree diameter. Tree traversals are methods of visiting all nodes in a tree structure. There are several types of traversals, each with its own use cases. Binary search trees, on the other hand, are a special type of tree that allows for efficient searching, insertion, and deletion operations. The quiz also delves into more complex concepts. The lowest common ancestor problem, for instance, involves finding the deepest node, that is, an ancestor of two given nodes in a tree. Tree diameter refers to the longest path between any two nodes in a tree, a concept often used in network analysis and optimization problems. By taking this quiz, you'll be able to assess your current knowledge and identify areas for improvement. Whether you're preparing for coding interviews or simply looking to strengthen your understanding of tree-based data structures, this quiz will provide valuable insights. The Python DSA Quiz Part 4 is an excellent opportunity to challenge yourself and deepen your grasp of how trees work in algorithmic problem solving. It's designed to be both informative and engaging, helping you build a solid foundation in these crucial concepts. Remember, mastering trees and BSTs is a significant step in becoming a proficient programmer and problem solver. So take your time, think through each question carefully, and use this quiz as a learning tool to enhance your Python programming skills.